Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make these dinner rolls. Now in here I've already put my 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. And I've been letting this sit for about 10 minutes, and I wanted to show everybody kind of what it looks like. How it's kind of like frothy in there. That really will help with letting your dough rise. Now this recipe works really good for making dinner rolls, but it also will make a regular loaf of white bread. So you can use it for either one. So now that this has been sitting for 10 minutes, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of oil. 3 cups of just all-purpose flour. And then I'm also going to add 1½ teaspoons of salt. And then all I'm going to do is add this to my bread machine. I've already got it plugged in here. So if I wanted to have a loaf of bread, I would just leave it on the basic setting, and it's already set to medium, which is what we like for the crust, and I'd hit start. For this one, I'm going to set it to dough, and that way it'll just get everything all nice and mixed up for me so I can start our rolls here. And then I'm just going to press start, and it'll start on its own. And if you have trouble with your dough sticking or some of the flour sticking in your bread machine, one thing that you can do while it's mixing up is just take a spatula here and just kind of go all around the edges while it's mixing up. And you can do that a couple times while it's mixing, and that'll get anything that sticks to it to not stick to it and get in the dough ball. This machine, I don't really have a problem with it, but I know some people do have that problem. So this is what the dough will look like when it comes out after it's risen. Okay, that's enough of the dough. And all I'm going to do is take a 9x13 pan. I've already sprayed it with some cooking oil. And I'm going to grab some of the dough. And basically, you just kind of want to... see if I can move this out of the way a little bit better.
Mama,
I just kind of fold it underneath. You guys are shaking the table. And then I'm going to put it in here, and we're going to let it rise. And then I'm going to do that 12 times. You want to try to make them pretty close to the same size, so that way they'll cook the same evenly. I'll show you again. I just kind of pull it and tuck it under so it's got a smooth top, and then I'll just set it next to them, and I'll make 12 of them in here, and then I'll let them rise for about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so, depending on how humid and hot it is in the house. And once those are done rising, I'll put them in the oven, 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes depending on your oven. This one, this batch I did this morning, I didn't preheat the oven. I just put them in while they were still rising. They were right at the end of being done rising. And I put them in and let them cook while the oven was coming to temperature. So they were in there for 15 minutes. Now, one thing that my grandma taught me to do when you're making bread is to take a stick of butter and just rub it over the tops of each of these. And that'll keep them from getting hard. It'll make them stay soft. One thing that she used to do for loaves of bread was that she would actually take the wrappers from butter sticks when she was done with them, and she would save them in the fridge, and she would just rub them all over the top of the bread, and that would keep the crust from getting hard. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, thanks for watching.